Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths, state board, chapter 9, exercise 9.7, gamma integral. See here, integral 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x into dx. See the gamma integral formula, integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1, n factorial by a power n plus 1, integral 0 to infinity e power minus x, that is you can take it as a value as 1, e power minus x power n into dx. X power n into dx is nothing but what? N factorial, because a value as 1. 1 power anything you are getting the value 1. So, the value is n factorial. See the third one, integral 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus x power n minus 1 into dx, x power n minus 1 into dx equal to n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, it is nothing but what? Gamma n equal to n minus 1 factorial. See the first sum, first subdivision, e 0 to infinity, you can check the interval also. If it is 0 to infinity or 0 to pi by 2. So, you can take it as I equal to 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x into dx. So, by gamma integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So, what is the value of a here? A equal to x power n, a value equal to, see, a value equal to 3, you do not take it as minus 3 because already minus it is in the formula. So, you can take the a value as 3 and n equal to 5, n equal to 5, a equal to 3. Therefore, I equal to n factorial is 5 factorial by a power, that is 3 power 5 plus 1, 3 power 5 plus 1. So, therefore, I equal to 5 factorial by 3 power 6, I equal to 5 factorial by 3 power 6. See the second subdivision, integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x by cos power 6x into dx. See here you can take it as I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into 1 by cos power 6x, 1 by cos power 6x into dx. What is the value of 1 by cos? Trigonometric value secant. So, I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into secant power 6x into dx. Secant power 6x you can split up into, see here, I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into secant power 4x into secant square x into dx. When the bases are same, you can add the powers. Secant power 4x into that secant power 6x, you can split up into secant power 4x into secant square x. See here, I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x, e power minus tan x secant square x the whole square. Secant power 4x is nothing but what? Secant square x the whole square, that is a power m whole power n equal to a power mn into secant square x into dx. You know the trigonometric function, trigonometric identities. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x into, that is secant square x, trigonometric identities, 1 plus tan square x the whole square. 1 plus tan square x the whole square into secant square x into dx. Secant square x into dx. See, you can take it as tan x equal to t. So, I kept it secant square x as it is there because differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x. See, I can split this secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x, but differentiation of tan x is nothing but what? Secant square x. See, you can take it as tan x equal to, put tan x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Secant square x into dx equal to dt. Secant square x into dx equal to dt. X equal to 0. X equal to 0. T equal to tan 0. T equal to 0. X equal to pi by 2. Because this is the limit for x. We should find out the limit for t. So, x equal to pi by 2, t equal to tan pi by 2. So, t equal to tan pi by 2 value is what? Infinity. I equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus t, e power minus t into 1 plus t square the whole square. 1 plus t square the whole square. Secant square x into dx is nothing but what? Dt. Secant square x into dx is nothing but dt. So, I equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus t into 1 plus t square the whole square, you can expand by a plus b the whole square formula, 1 plus 2t square plus t power 4 into dt. So, it gives integral 0 to infinity e power minus t plus 2 e power minus t t square plus e power minus t t power 4 into dt. So, I equal to integral 0 to infinity, integral 0 to infinity. You can split the terms. See, e power minus t into dt. If you want, you can integrate straight away. That is e power minus x formula is e power x formula is e power x. So, x coefficient you can bring it into the denominator, or otherwise you can write t power 0. T power 0 value is what? 1 plus 2 into, because 2 is a constant, 0 to infinity t square into e power minus t into dt plus integral 0 to infinity t power 4 e power minus t into dt. So, what is the formula we can apply here? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus x, e power minus x, x power n dx equal to n factorial. E power minus x, x power n dx equal to n factorial. See, n factorial, what is the n value here? 0, n equal to 2, n equal to 4. See the formula, you can compare with this formula, e power minus x, e power minus t, x power n into dx. This is t power n into dt. It is nothing but what? N factorial. So, I equal to 0 factorial plus 2 into, what is the n value there? 2. 2 factorial plus, here what is the value of n there? 4. 4 factorial. What is 0 factorial? 0 factorial is nothing but 1. 0 factorial is 1 plus 2 into 2 factorial is 1 into 2 plus 4 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. I equal to 1 plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24 plus 24. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. What is the value of I here? I equal to 29. The value of I is 29. See the second sum. I equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square x cube into dx equal to 32. Find the value of alpha. See, x square is there, x cube is there. So you can take it as that, you can split the term. See here, integral 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square, x cube you can split up into x square into x. If the bases are same, can add the powers. This is exponential property into dx equal to 32. First you can take this I value alone, then afterwards you can equate with 32. I equal to integral 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x into dx. Here you can take it as alpha x square equal to t. Alpha x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Alpha into 2x dx equal to dt. Alpha into 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx, you should get the value of x dx. X dx equal to 1 by 2 alpha into dt. 1 by 2 alpha into dt. So this is the limit for x. The 0 to infinity is the limit for x. You should find out the limit for t. T equal to, see, x equal to 0. What is the value of t? X equal to 0. What is the value of t? T equal to alpha into 0 square. So t equal to 0. X equal to infinity. X equal to infinity. T equal to alpha into infinity square. T equal to infinity. T equal to infinity. See here, you can apply the limit. See, you can substitute the limit. I equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square is nothing but what? Minus t x square. X square you can take it as what? X square equal to, from this you can find the value of x square equal to t by alpha. X square equal to t by alpha. T by alpha. X dx. X dx is nothing but what? 1 by 2 alpha into dt. X dx is 1 by 2 alpha into dt. So I equal to 2 alpha square, you can take it out, 1 by 2 alpha square is a constant, you can take it out, integral 0 to infinity t e power minus t into dt. You can apply the formula. What is the formula? Integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus x into dx equal to n factorial. N factorial. See the sum. I equal to 1 by 2 alpha square. Can compare the formula. See, x power n, t power 1 e power minus x is nothing but what? E power minus t into dx dt. It's nothing but what? N factorial. N value is here 1. 1 factorial. So, it is given in the question, what is the sum? It's equal to 32. You should find out the value of alpha. I value already given as it's equal to 32. So, you can equate the value. 1 by 2 alpha square equal to 32. 1 by 2 alpha square equal to 32. So, 1 by alpha square equal to 64. You can bring the 2 to the right hand side, reciprocal that value. Alpha square, reciprocal on both the sides. Alpha square equal to 1 by 64. Taking square root, alpha equal to 1 by 8, that is plus or minus 8. We cannot take the negative value, we can take only the positive value. So, alpha equal to 1 by 8. Is it clear, children? See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.